Hi, it's Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we are going to be eating our first Mangifera Odorata of the year. Came right yesterday, and this is one I tried before. The first time I tried it, I absolutely hated it. Bless you.
Thank you.
And then after trying it again last year, it was like, well, I guess the year before last, it was one of my favorites. And it's very unique. I guess technically it's not a mango because Mangifera indica is mango and this is Mangifera odorata, a different species. But I mean, it's obviously still same species.
It's filled the whole house with this smell.
Yeah, the name is odorata is very. It's a very kind of piney smell, but it's not like pine sol.
I think it smells like that gum.
What gum? Pine gum?
The purple or the green double bubbles. Yeah, that's what it smells like. On the outside. That's exactly what it smells like to me. But
doesn't smell like that to me, but anyway.
This knife is really dull.
Yeah, I need to sharpen the knife.
Oh, it's very juicy. This fell off the tree yesterday.
Yes, this actually fell. The first time also that we did it, I think I might have picked it a little early. This one fell off the tree, so it was ready.
It fell off the tree yesterday.
So this one definitely has some fiber in it. This is a wild type mango. This is also called, is this the one Kuini?
Mm-hmm.
Is that they also call it that? So it is fibrous. This is not, that's not how I remember it. I remember it being much more potent. This is not...
Well, the more you let it sit on the counter, the more potent it gets. So this is the earliest we've ever eaten one. It smells like an overripe cogshaw. Like, once it's open, it has that kind of papaya pumpkin foot smell. Which it doesn't taste like at all.
No.
I like that.
Yeah, this is good. I mean, the one I had before was like jet fuel, but in a good way, if that's possible.
And if you wait too long, it's jet fuel in a bad way.
Yeah. This one just kind of is, I mean, it's still definitely unique.
To me, it tastes like it has a lot of volatiles in it.
Right, yeah, and it does. It certainly does.
It's got a little bit of like citrus, but almost like the slightest bit of bitter citrus.
Yeah, like a little bit of citrus rind kind of to it.
But it also has like a lot of fruit flavors.
Yeah, this one is much fruitier than what I remember before.
And a little bit of pine needle
still got
taste.
a little, yeah, I mean, it's definitely got some resin, some spice. It's got a lot of all of those things that in a cultivated mango make nice little subtle tones in the background, whereas with this, they're right up front. And this still is not as strong. That last bite I had was pretty strong.
There's some other fruit it tastes like. I can't think of it.
This one also almost has a little bit more of like a chemically taste that I don't remember from before.
It had that one.
Then I don't remember it.
It was like all chemical taste before.
Well, this was a different one.
Yeah.
This is... I don't know. It's still good, but mostly just because of the uniqueness of it. It's
it leaves like the roof of your mouth and your tongue with a little bit of that chalky feeling after you eat it.
But it's still, I mean, it's a good fruit in that it's so different from other mangoes, and it
has a real chewy texture too.
Well, I mean, it's definitely fibrous. I mean, it's a.
But I think in a good way. I mean, I wouldn't eat the seed. But it's still, even like at this stage of ripeness, so less than 24 hours falling from the tree, it still feels like if I breathed out and there was some kind of special camera that could read volatiles that you could see. But I don't like eating this fruit when it's soft. This is like the first one I've eaten that I'm wanting to eat more.
Yeah, I mean, it's really, I've said unique many times, but it's strong. Now that one had to me like a different kind of the aftertastes are what this is all about. There are lots of different aftertastes. A little bit of that
green apple candy flavor. I think that's what the fruity flavor.
I could see that. Yeah, like a
like that green apple gum.
I'm thinking more. It feels like more. It's like a green apple Laffy Taffy kind of a thing. Maybe Jolly Rancher. That really kind of strong sour apple.
But without being sour, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I mean, there's a slight amount of tartness to it, but it evokes a lot of different. It fires off a lot of different taste buds in your mouth, and the overall it's good.
Yeah.
This one, like I said, is not as strong as the ones I've had before, because the other ones just are like you take a bite, like this one's not like that, but it just still has a lot of those kind of weird, strange flavors to it that are. If any one of them was overpowering, it would be really bad. And like some of the flavors that are in other mangoes have that it's too strong, they're not good. But it's just got a little bit of everything going on. But
it's not too vigorous of a grower either. But we have it growing under 2 inga trees.
Yeah,
so it could be the
kind of shade.
It has the most beautiful flowers of any mango in our yard. They're very red. And it's had no disease issues, right? On the tree.
I really haven't had any issues, even with like anthracnose or anything on it, even though it's in the shade.
Powdery mildew. I don't think we've seen anything. And it bloomed over like more than a month. So we have some fruits that are small and some that are larger.
And you could tell when the fruit are ripe because the smell is just. And like I said, we picked this thing yesterday, and now our whole house smells like it. And I think it's a pretty good smell. It's not like jackfruit, but.
I got over it this time. I was like, hey Craig, let's go and do this video because
it's a very much a piney type of a smell, but I mean not like I said, not straight pine. Green apple.
Yeah.
Anyway, I love this one still. This one still is. I can't say it's my favorite anymore. I think just because there's some other mangoes that to me are actually after this year. Ceci Love was really good.
Yeah.
But this will still always be one I look forward to, and I think I've got like 3 more on the tree to get me through. So maybe I'll try those at a little bit different levels of. Yeah. Maybe I'll let one sit in the house for 2 days before if you can handle it.
And Craig started grafting trees, so we should have some grafted.
Yeah, I do have some of these that graft stuck on them. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a